atong isaulog ang ika-18 kaadlawan ng probinsya. The Bugkusan Festival 2024. The Bugkusan Festival, also known as the Bugkusan sa Isla Festival, is a vibrant celebration held annually in the Dinagat Islands, Philippines. This festival marks the founding anniversary of the province and its testament to the strong community spirit and cultural heritage of its people. The Bugkusan Festival derives its name from the Visayan word bugkus, which means to unite, gather, or bind. This aptly reflects the festival core purpose, to bring together the 7 municipalities of the Dinagat Islands in a joyous celebration of their shared history, culture, and identity. Magbugkos kita 2024.
Carbonan Munisipyo ng Loreto, Lawigan Festival!
Ayaw liog akong kamot yan.